subject, leave one more line and then start refer to the sir, principal, madam, or whosoever you are addressing. If you are the headmaster, then put the word sir here. Then you have started your paragraph. In the starting line, you must tell the reader who you are. Okay, and most important thing, your paragraph must be started from the 7th letter after the space. Okay, for example, RESPECT 1 2 3 4 5 6. From the 7th letter you have started your paragraph. Then you have read, I am a student of your school studying class 9 at present. I feel extremely sorry to inform you that I shall not be able to prolong my studies in your esteemed school, as my father is leaving with all the members of his family to Oman in connection with a job. What we are trying to tell him in the first paragraph, you will tell the reader who you are, and then also tell him or her your problem. Okay, in the second paragraph we tell what I want from the reader. Again, be careful, students. You must start the paragraph from the same place where you have started the first one, means after the 6 letters. Okay, and in the last one it must be the courteous close, and then you write down here. Be careful, if you are using the paragraph system, then it should go in the left side, in the right side. This is all about the format of the application. Now see what it looks in whole. See, our application started in the first page at the top and then ends at the end of the page. Be careful, your application should not go into 2 pages. Some of the students do this mistake. They started from the middle of the paper, and then the application goes on to the next page. This does not look very